Hi there. My name is Michael Jones. Welcome to the next video in this series. Investor and Crypto Videos for Beginners. Today, I am going to discuss which new cryptocurrency has the best chance to explode in 2021. I am going to name 5 new cryptos to keep an eye on with major potential going forward. 1. Internet Computer or ICP. Internet Computer is a new token launched in early 2021. It saw immediate success, with a market value of $35 billion in its first 3 days. The project's goal is to overcome the current limitations of the internet and replace it with a modern blockchain-powered internet. You can purchase this coin on Binance crypto exchange. 2. Enjin or Enjin. Enjin is an Ethereum-based cryptocurrency recently launched to provide backing for non-fungible tokens. One use case is for developers to manage in-game purchases using its blockchain technology. The coin currently has a market cap of $1 billion. You can purchase Enjin at Binance and Crypto.com. 3. Safemoon. Safemoon is an altcoin that just launched in early 2021. This coin is a community-driven, fair-launch decentralized finance or DEFI token. The coin has a market cap of $2.2 billion. An unusual feature of the currency is that it penalizes users who sell their tokens. A 10% fee is applied to the seller, and half of it is redistributed to other holders. You can purchase Safemoon on Trust Wallet or Pancakeswap exchange. 4. NKN. NKN is a new blockchain-based token designed for a decentralized internet. It supports millions of blockchain nodes, and is a 100% decentralized peer-to-peer operation with low latency. NKN has a market cap of $212 million. You can purchase NKN on Binance exchange. 5. Diem. While currently not for sale, Facebook's Diem is one of the most anticipated coins to launch in 2021. Formerly known as Libra, Diem is a centralized, global, stable cryptocurrency project. For investors wanting a more stable cryptocurrency, this might be a good option. Investors expect Diem to have low volatility because of its reserves of other currencies and assets. New videos for beginners will be released soon, providing more detail on the 5 new cryptocurrencies highlighted during this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to ensure that you receive all the latest money and crypto talks, as they are released.